Hello, hello, lovely Year 4 students. We're carrying on with our project on movement and we're going to be doing some watercolour practice. You're going to need a thick and thin brush, you will need a water pot, the water paint and a nice big piece of paper. Now you can use any colour except for the whites. You can choose any colour for the exercise we're doing today. I'm going to use this blue. And I just want to show you, when I put a little bit of water on and lots of rubbing of the paint, I get a nice strong dark colour. Can you see that? And I'm just going to show you here, if I put lots of water on and only a little bit of rubbing of the paint, I get a lighter colour. So that's the first difference to look at: how much paint you pick up on your brush and how much water you add. Now what we're going to be doing is actually taking a paintbrush for a little walk around our page. We're looking at movement, aren't we? We're looking at how artists show movement, and to begin with, I just want us to move around our page with a brush and just seeing what effects we get. Start off by making a frame. You can see there I did that in one sweep, so it started darker and got lighter. You can do that, or you can dip your brush in again. And then the idea is just to start making some movement and try out different brush strokes. Artists call this mark making. You can try wibbly lines, zigzag lines, curvy lines, dashes, dots, and just really enjoy yourself playing around with your brush and the paints. We're just sticking to the one colour because I want you to really look at the different brush strokes and not worry about making pretty pictures or nice patterns and things. It's just seeing what happens. We've got some nice swirly lines there and things. That's great. So just have a really lovely play with these paints. This is your first time using the watercolours properly in this project, and I just want you to enjoy playing with them. As I say, artists call this mark making, and artists do this not just with paint, but you can do it with pencils and crayons and things. And it's just a little exercise in getting used to using the material, seeing what it's like when you do long strokes and small strokes. Just have a nice play. So the idea is to really fill up your page with all these different marks and try out the paint and try out the brushes. Notice, for example, if you press hard, you make thick lines. If you press lightly, you make thin lines. And you can use the smaller brush or the bigger brush. When you finish, make sure you wash your brushes off and squeeze them back into a nice point. So there we go, friends. Fill your page with marks and movement. Bye.